Chapter 7 bankruptcy is your typical liquidation type bankruptcy. I know that sounds like a real scary word to a lot of people because you're thinking, well, I don't want everything I own liquidated. I don't want them to come in to my home and take and sell these things. But really, what a liquidation bankruptcy is the court taking a look and seeing at what you have that's not already protected by law and seeing if there's the ability to use those things to pay your creditors. Now, thankfully, especially in Kansas and Missouri, there's already laws that protect a lot of what you own. Typically, your retirement account's protected. A lot of times your vehicle will be protected. A lot of times your equity in your home can be protected. So really what you're doing essentially is going through the process of the liquidation. But a lot of times what happens is you'll walk out of that case having not lost anything, but been able to discharge your debts. Now, there is some inquiry by the court, as one would assume, and that is typically not difficult, and that's why we can walk you through that process, but there's a lot of disclosure and things like that. In the process of going through the liquidation, you just need to open yourself up to the court, and our firm helps you do that. By opening up yourself to the court, what I really mean is just showing your financial life to the bankruptcy court. And the good news is that typically by the time that you might come see us, or by the time that you provided all the documentation, you really just need to show up and answer some questions. We've done the process of showing the court and telling the story of what's happened that you need to file bankruptcy. The typical situation for someone needing to file bankruptcy is really there is no typical situation. The laws are typically the same for everyone, but a lot of different things will lead someone to come see us. Sometimes someone's been in a medical emergency. Sometimes someone's gone through a divorce. Sometimes someone has lost a job or lost income in their household, especially throughout the pandemic, we've seen that. Other times, someone has had to take on more household expenses. For instance, someone might be taking care of their grandchildren. Someone might be caring for an elderly or disabled child or parent. There's a lot of things that can happen to regular people that can lead them to coming to see us and needing to file a Chapter 7 bankruptcy.